What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day? Oh, we're here at X3. I'm Javi Mac. I'm here with.
I'm Tiny Smallz, baby.
Oh, let's go. Hey, man, this might be the most unique interview I've had.
To be honest, it is.
It is.
It is so sick. All the
sick.
people here, beautiful woman. So nice. Everything's nice.
Bro, you're living the life, bro. We were in Tootsie's the other night, and I look over, you're making out with a chick. I'm like, dude, this man is rich.
I mean, I don't know if it's a small magic or if it's a midget card, but women's like me here.
Dude,
I'm in love with Miami and Miami girls.
you get more tail than 99% of the guys in this world, bro.
It's because I go between those guys' legs so they don't see me coming and I steal their girl.
Dude, you be smashing, bro.
Yeah.
What's the talent, bro? Because I bet you gotta be out of like the people your height. You are smashing. You gotta be number one, bro. You gotta be number one.
I might be the king of small person. I might be the king of small person. Yeah.
There's nobody.
Hey, if there is, come at me. I'm waiting for you.
Hey, you gonna fight him?
Yeah, but hey, talking about small person, I'm still looking for a small girl to do a video with.
Let's go.
I still didn't do it yet.
Haven't done it yet.
No, only
Okay.
tall woman.
Only tall woman. All right, what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Say that again, please.
What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
No, probably no. Swim. I like swimming. I don't know why. Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
And when you're messaging and talking to your fans, what do they usually like to talk about?
I like to thank them first, and if they ask me a question, I like to answer. I like to talk with people, so for me it's easy to answer them, and I mean I'm being myself, and I think I'm a nice person.
Yeah,
So,
you're the man,
it
bro.
makes it easy.
You're always good energy, man. It's always a pleasure.
I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The reason I'm asking about the extra 2 hours too is I'm here with super creators today.
Yeah.
And they save their creators hours throughout their day with their services, like their messaging services, their CRM, their backend.
Yeah.
So yeah, have you used them? You ever heard about them? Or?
Yeah, I heard about it, but I don't use them yet. Maybe.
Hey, maybe soon, man. Maybe soon.
Maybe really soon.
Let's see. Where do you want people to find you?
On the platform, I'm Tiny Smallz, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, OnlyFans, everywhere. I'm Tiny Smallz, hands with a Z.
Let's get it. Hey.
Yes.
Yeah. Woo.